So welcome back. In this section that we have got this script Alt-E to get rid of this kind of expression link. Now you can see that we have the dust element right here, but here in this area that we don't have any kind of dust element, right? So we don't have any dust element rendered out of Maya. So we need to do it a comp. So first thing is that you can take a constant and click here and control click this dust here. So you'll get the color of this dust. And now how we're going to compose this dust is very easy, a 2D of doing so. So the first thing is that we have to have a roto node. So for that we need to press O. So you'll get a roto node in here. And now you can make something like a mask kind of thing, like here, and something like this. So this is a mask and we have to promote it, right? And then we can have this thing. This is A over B operation, simple. And I can see this is looking very stupid kind of thing, but what you need to do, you need to get rid of this thing. So this is point maybe 4. I can see we have very little bit of thing, and what we can do, we can use B for blur, and we can have maybe a 30-40% of blur so that you cannot see the edges, right? So you can see we have something in here. So if I press D key, now it is blending a good in here. So this is very important. So what I can do, I can have something in here. So this is also very important. That all right. So this looks okay, and I can see this is a good way to blend your comp. So if I press D key, I can see this makes a huge difference in it, right?